Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to enter Roblox star codes. Firstly, go to the official Roblox website and log into your account using your browser. Navigate to one of the following sections like the Robux page is to the buy Robux and membership page to get Roblox Premium. Select the amount of Robux and or the type of membership you'd like to buy. Once selected, you'll be taken to the payment page. On the payment page, look for an option that says Have a star code or Enter star code, then click it. Enter the star code of the creator you want to support, then click Add to confirm. Now after it, you'll see a confirmation message showing which creator you're supporting with your purchase, and continue to payment as usual. The creator will now earn a commission from your purchase at no extra costs to you. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.